When growing plants, whether indoors or outdoors, one of the most common challenges growers face is excessive vertical growth. Plants that become too tall and skinny often struggle with weak stems, poor light distribution, and reduced yields or overall health. Understanding why plants grow tall and how to control that growth is essential for anyone looking to cultivate strong, balanced plants. Before we jump in, remember, this channel is for viewers over 18 and our content is purely educational. We're not here to promote or encourage illegal activity. In the UK, cannabis cultivation remains illegal without a license. What we are doing is learning plant science and helping beginners avoid common mistakes. Plants naturally stretch upward in search of light. This process is called phototropism. When light is insufficient or uneven, plants prioritize vertical growth to reach a better light source. This often results in leggy plants, long stems, wide spacing between nodes, and weaker structural integrity. Other factors can contribute as well. Overcrowding can force plants to compete for light, encouraging them to stretch. Genetics also play a role. Some plant varieties are naturally taller than others. Temperature, nutrient balance, and even airflow can influence growth patterns. The goal for most growers isn't just to stop plants from growing tall, it's to control how they grow. Ideally, you want a plant that is compact, bushy, and structurally strong, with good light penetration throughout. Supercropping is one of the most advanced and effective techniques for controlling plant height, while also increasing strength and yield. This method involves gently stressing the plant by bending its stems. You carefully pinch and soften a section of the stem between your fingers, then bend it over without completely breaking it. The inner tissue is damaged slightly, but the outer skin remains intact. This controlled stress triggers the plant's natural defense mechanisms. The plant responds by reinforcing the damaged area, making it thicker and stronger. At the same time, the bent stem redirects growth hormones, encouraging lower branches to grow more vigorously. The result is a shorter, bushier plant with improved structure and better light distribution. Supercropping works best during the vegetative stage, when plants are still flexible and actively growing.
Hi everyone. Today we're showing a Mars Hydro smart indoor grow system that supports both DWC hydroponics and soil cultivation with drainage and drip irrigation, while allowing precise environmental control through smart devices for efficient and stable growth. In the hydroponics area, the DWC system provides continuous water and oxygen circulation, which can be started via iHub Pro or Mars Pro app, helping roots breathe better and preventing root rot. In the soil area, the automatic drainage and drip irrigation system delivers precise water control, reduces manual work, and keeps roots healthy for more consistent growth. All devices work together with humidity and temperature sensors in the tent. Using the iHub Pro mobile app, you can control lights, fans, humidifier, and dehumidifier, creating a fully automated environment that reduces manual labor. Whether you prefer hydroponics or soil cultivation, the Mars Hydro Grow Tent Kits allow you to build a high-efficiency, stable, and smart indoor growing environment. Check the link below to learn more. Use code BUDFELLAS and grab 3% off your order. Don't miss out.
Topping is a simpler and widely used technique for controlling vertical growth. In this method, you cut off the main growing tip of the plant. This removes the apical dominance, the natural tendency of the plant to prioritize its main central stem. Once the top is removed, the plant redistributes its energy to the side branches. Instead of one main tall stem, you get multiple branches growing outward, creating a fuller and more even canopy. Low stress training is another highly effective method. You gently bend and tie down branches to control their direction of growth, creating an even canopy and reducing vertical stretch. Pruning involves selectively removing parts of the plant. It helps redirect energy and improves airflow and light penetration. Light management is critical. Insufficient light causes stretching, so maintaining proper light intensity and distance is key. Temperature also affects growth. Slightly cooler nights can help reduce excessive elongation. Nutrients matter too. Too much nitrogen can lead to tall, weak plants, while balanced nutrients support stronger growth. Airflow strengthens stems. Gentle movement from a fan encourages plants to grow sturdier. The screen of green method uses a mesh to train plants horizontally, preventing vertical dominance. Finally, genetics play a role. Choosing compact plant varieties can naturally reduce height issues. Managing plant height is about guiding growth, not stopping it. By combining techniques like supercropping, topping and elest with proper environmental control, you can grow strong, balanced plants that control the growth, maximize the results, and keep your garden thriving. Subscribe to Budfellas for more ways to elevate your grow game.